it's potentially very useful for developers and people who are making a product that's not necessarily, they might not necessarily be willing to go and code up everything themselves. The idea is that they're kind of using your SDK to sort of give them an easy way to get it started and to make it work. And then, as you're saying, this hybrid vision of the future of Bitcoin is that people might be using all kinds of different things, whether that's eCash tokens, whether that's LBTC, which is pegged in BTC into the Liquid network, or obviously Bitcoin and Lightning on chain, and using some combination of these to kind of swap around and sort of use these things to give a better experience for the end user. So that's kind of the, I guess, the high level idea. I'm curious as well, I know some of the Blockstream guys have spoken about the idea of doing Lightning on top of Liquid.